how to convert images to PDF in Windows. Converting images to PDF keeps file very organized and easy to share. So if you want to convert your images to PDF, we may follow the steps for that. So we may open up the location where our images are located. So for example, I have it in my picture section. So what we need to do is basically select one or multiple images. So we can use the built-in Windows feature for that usually. So if I would like to convert these two images into PDF, we may select it. Right click on it and select the option of print, or click on show more options and then select the option of print here, this one right here. Now once we select print here, we'll be finding printer option. So what we need to do is basically select this option of Microsoft Print to PDF, and even set up your size and your quality and everything, your orientation, your image quality, etc. And basically click on print, and once we click on print, we can select up location and save. So for example, if I would like to select gallery, so I can just go over and select up location, or type in the file name. So I can type in file name and click on save, and when you do, it will start printing 3 out of 3 images how much you've selected. And Windows creates a PDF file, so you can just go over and open up the image once it is completed and find the file. Once you find the file, we can click on the PDF version, and once we open it up, there we go. Now we have the PDF version. We can just go over and view it up on our screen this way. Now even if you want to save it, we can click on the save option at the very top directly and save it, and that's it. Now we have converted images to PDF on Windows very easily, which was very quick and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Ensure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.